happening, guys? I'm Ada from DK Tuner. Today's video is on our track Abarth. Now, in a second we'll start it up and you'll see how absolutely terrible it sounds and how loud it is. It's not exactly track friendly. So we're going to be building a 3-inch catback system, TIG welded as well, with probably 2 little resonators and a back box maybe as well, to make it a bit more track friendly. So I'm going to start it up now and see what it sounds like. Okay guys, just before Ryan does actually start, so we're going to be putting the exhaust on, and then Ryan's going to be making a custom 4-inch downpipe for the new turbo when it goes on. It's a hell of a big turbo, so it's going to need a hell of a lot of flow out of the exhaust. So at the moment we have the 2.5-inch decat downpipe all the way down into a little flexi that Ryan did the other day while the car was on the ramp, all the way back over the axle and into a back box delete, which is, well, exactly how it is. Extremely straight through and horrendously loud. So yeah, hopefully we can quieten it down and give it a bit of a better tone. So we're gonna make it look sick and sound sick. So this morning, guys, Ryan has been working on the V-band part of the pipe, and as you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Some beautiful, beautiful TIG welds, especially this one at the top of the V-band. That weld is absolutely gorgeous. So he's been very, very busy this morning doing this, and the welds are coming out looking absolutely beautiful. So obviously, make sure if you want some stuff like this on your Abarth and your cars, then don't hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook if you want some nice TIG welded goodness. So he's going to carry on, and then we'll give you a little bit of a look when it's all finished. It's going to look absolutely beautiful. As you can see, the exhaust is now done. It looks absolutely beautiful, as you can see from the cinematic. 2 boxes and then the big box at the back. Hopefully it will sound quite unique. Hopefully it is. So now we're going to drop it down, take it outside so all this noise in here isn't in here, and then we're going to see what it sounds like. Hopefully it sounds really unique. So stay tuned. As you can hear, guys, the Abarth sounds like no other in the country because of this new exhaust system. It sounds absolutely sick. So if you want a custom system on your car, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook. And if you want to see the rest of the work on this Abarth, which is the next video, is going to be the big turbo build going on it. It's going to be incredible. So make sure you are subscribed, you stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.